ladies just came out now. Where are they? Which way did they take?
Ah, then drop for my mouth. Oh, this girl where then they come here. You know, collect their number. Feel now that woman you won't follow come. I beg Joe, go where you from come.
What's it gonna be on now?
Go past, go sit down.
How your frustration come on here?
When I don't get small money, when I do they follow woman up and down. They go.
Hi.
Good day, ma.
Good day. Thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome, ma. You're welcome. Here's your purse.
Thank you. Well, men like you are in short supply. You know, some other person would have kept this purse for themselves, knowing that the owner might not come back for it. So thank you.
You're welcome. You see, I won't say I'm a saint, but I don't take what does not belong to me.
Wow, and considering that there's money inside it, you didn't even touch it. Thank you. Please sit down. So, well, thank you very much once again. I really appreciate this.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
So tell me, what's a young man like you doing waiting at a restaurant?
Ma, you know how the country is.
Yeah. Do you have any qualifications?
Yes, I have a degree in business administration.
I see. Don't you think of starting up a business for yourself?
Yeah, I have actually thought of it, but I'm saving up.
Oh, forgive my manners. What do I offer you? Something to drink?
Anything, I am fine.
Anything. Anything I do not have, but I have wine, I have brandy, and I have soap. What would it be?
Okay, a glass of water.
No, we're not doing water. I'll do a bottle of wine with you.
Okay. That would be nice.
Yeah?
Please.
Yeah, please. Okay, take one leg down.
One. Yes.
Just, we're almost there.
Yeah, we almost
There. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Come on.
One leg down. Okay. Almost there.
almost there.
Easy. Careful.
Yes. Yes. You are highly welcome. All right. Okay. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
I am 19 years. So much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's you.
Oh my. Please, can we?
Happy birthday, my darling. It's your day. It's your day, my love. The love of my life. My man, my everything. My warmest wish for you today is that today be the best of the rest of your life. Our life.
First of all, I want to say thank you very much. And I must say that I am honored to be honored. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I seriously lack words to express how I feel. I feel so good. I feel so blessed.
Please go to the cake. And stop this. Do you need a room?
You were saying.
I lack words to express how I feel.
No,
And I must tell you,
I'm not
I feel
dripping.
very happy.
Yeah, it's
Thank you
okay.
so much. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday! Thank you, ladies. Thank you. Thank you for making this happen. You girls are just the best. Hey, sweetie. Thank you. Okay, business of the day. Business of the day.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so there you go. Place your hand. So we're going to have to spell his name. And we cut.
Okay.
Jason. Okay.
J-A-S-O-N-A.
Oh, happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank you all. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay, in the spirit of celebration, can we go drink already?
Let's just
This is my favorite moment. I'm gonna pop it. Yay! Oh my god! Champagne. Please, where's the celebrant? Okay, so are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, it's your birthday. Go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay.
Come on.
Oh,
Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. We're popping.
easy though.
We're popping.
Easy now.
Come on.
why not? Okay, please.
Okay.
Glasses.
No way. Are you the celebrant?
Okay, so what are we celebrating? So we're gonna do this like one after the other and wish him well.
All right.
Okay? I'll start with me. So we have to do this all together.
Yeah.
You could just pass the bottle when you're
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's okay. Okay. Happy birthday, Jason. Jason.
Okay, please. Birthday boy.
Happy birthday, Jason. I wish you the very best. And I wish this love never ends. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Mr. Jason, I wish you a very happy birthday. I wish you everything beautiful as your baby there.
Oh.
And Jason, I don't have to wish you alone. I wish both of you unending love.
Oh.
More like darling. Sweetie. Come on, wish
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.
Oh,
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Cheers. Happy birthday. Now let's drink. Because I'm about to get drunk today. Oh my God.
Oh, please, come on. We have a
Yes, please. Let's eat. Let's eat already. Okay.
Okay.
Please do the honors.
Please, everybody just feel free. Let's just have fun.
Okay.
Can you please have my baby first?
Oh my God.
Okay.
No apologies. Come on, ladies.
All right.
Please sit, my darling.
Okay, I think I need to sit down.
And not stirring here.
You like the way it smells?
Mr. Jason.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Please, can I have toothpick?
That chicken looks
Okay,
good.
Mr. Jason now.
No, just have it. Why don't I eat it?
Okay.
Can you serve?
Thank you.
You will be doing it yourself.
Oh my goodness. Can every day be Jason's birthday? Well done, Cherry.
Yes, please.
Well done.
Toothpick.
You know I believe in you.
I know, baby.
I believe in
I
you.
know, baby. And with you girls behind me,
I
oh man, I can pull up anything.
Okay.
Can I have that right now? Why you serve yourself? Thank you.
Do you want some? I can serve you, darling. That's fine.
So,
Can I get the toothpick, please? Just one.
Oh, sure.
Thank you.
This is nice.
Okay, so I'm sure you all know how we met. You remember
I know
how we
already.
met? This shows you that true love still exists.
Yes.
I have no regret. One bit. My life has been beautiful since I met.
We go love.
Did you find out? Oh yeah, if you don't find it, then you can find out.
let's don't do it.
Yes, so. Okay, ladies, let's do this. I think I'll do one more place. Nice. Anybody wants another drink? Anything? Come on, now see blend the drink. One are they for my hand? Come on.
We just start the party.
Yeah, okay, so anybody wants this? Somebody should just say no. Nobody wants this?
For now, no.
It's right, that's fine. Anything with drinks. Anything. The drinks, okay.
Please come close here. Let's see, baby. All right, I think I should give. Now you come.
Jason is such a gentleman.
Oh my goodness.
Woo!
I want you to carry it.
Please.
Oh! Is that so? We go love.
Are you jealous?
Hey, goodness.
Oh my God. Can every day be birthday?
I'm telling you for me to love you.
This is spicy.
It's really nice. Kudos to the event planner.
Who planned this event?
You did. I know.
So give it to me.
I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you.
What are you doing?
Marry me.
So, darling, how did it go? What's the smell about? Please, show us the ring on your finger.
Truth is, it didn't go as planned.
Excuse me? What happened?
And what was his reason of for saying no?
What?
Like,
What happened?
Sorry.
okay.
Please, what happened?
Tell us, what happened?
You know, I did exactly what we planned.
Okay.
And when he came in, I told him,
Honey, honestly, I must confess. This is beautiful. This is breathtaking. I know you love me, and I love you so much. In fact, you are my life. You are my world. You mean everything to me. There is nothing I wish right now other than making you my wife. Saying yes would have been my utmost desire. But I am a man. I should be the one proposing to you and not the other way around.
it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter who proposes. What matters is the true love that we share.
I know. Our love is undoubtedly true. As a man, I repeat, I should be in charge of my responsibilities to avoid seeing myself less a man.
But it doesn't matter. Please don't say no.
Listen, honey. This might mean nothing to you. But being a man is a slap on my dignity. Honey, I love you. I want to marry you. I love you from the depths of my heart. But I need you to give me some time, please. Just give me some time to fix myself financially. Then I'll come see your parents and do the needful. Okay?
But seriously, he does not make any sense to me. He does not.
Truthfully, nowadays, who proposes or brings money to run the family doesn't really matter. What matters is the commitment and faithfulness in the both parties.
That's it.
That's it.
Sweetheart, do you want to hear the truth? The truth remains that not every man is comfortable when every penny in his pocket comes from his woman.
But you don't get the money now.
You know, get and babe, but you count yourself lucky that your man has a sense of responsibility.
Hello?
Yes. On a normal sense. See, babe, on a right sense, he should be the one to propose to you. Your man should be the one to plan your wedding and traditional marriage. That is it.
Big point of correction. Babe, check me out.
Did you say count myself lucky? I don't understand.
Oh, babe, check.
On top.
Check now. What the?
I beg, Cherry, you two won't fight. Get
Calm
out
down.
now.
I am coming to revamp him.
Oh my God.
So he should count himself and his entire generation.
I said
Lucky.
I said a God.
Okay. My darling, count yourself lucky that he's not those good diggers out there. Please.
Avira, see, you might be right, but I don't see anything wrong with him accepting the proposal.
I wonder.
He can still achieve whatever he wants to achieve, right? I mean, he should just accept the damn ring and relax and enjoy himself. I'll be taken care of.
I'll be taken care of.
And my friends who think it's that easy.
It is easy.
You guys not here.
I understand your situation.
Please.
It's been too hard.
Let's cheers for...
I understand her situation.
Cheers for what?
Just for what?
He should just calm down, relax, and be taken care of. What is it now?
What is
Who have the rest?
I'm telling you.
I give you ring. You see the stone?
Oh my God.
For free by the ring.
Take am easy. You guys, relax.
Be coming down.
Calm down. Calm down.
It's in pain.
Rich auntie.
You know, I am so glad that you're beginning to see a future in real estate like I envisaged.
Yeah.
Okay, I like the strategy. I like the idea you're bringing to the table. We'll get that acre of land and then we'll continue to grow. As much money as we make, we'll buy more. Mind you, it's a 5 to 10 years plan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I am glad you like it.
I do. I do.
But, honey, the amount is really huge. 200 million. Can you afford such an amount?
Well, not that I have it in cash, but we'll save it up. Everything I make, I'll be giving to you. You'll be the one saving up the money until we have the complete cash. Impossible is nothing.
I know.
Good.
Okay, so one more thing. I'll be traveling to the village tomorrow to see my mother. At the same time, see the doctor as regards her health.
I can come with you.
No, you don't have to. I am even thinking once she gets better, she should pay us a visit.
Oh, that'd be great. So we can take care of her for a while.
Yeah.
So how much would you need? Jason, what is all this? What is all this? Why are his phones switched off? I don't... Oh God. I hope nothing has happened. Okay. Calm down. Cherry, don't think negative. Don't think negative. It's possible his phones are switched off. Batteries are flat. Okay. Oh God, please. Don't let anything happen to my baby, please. I don't even know what to do. Just, oh God. Just call me. I just need to know that you're fine. It's not going through. Okay. Calm down. Ooh. Calm down. Everything is gonna be okay. You know what? Just sit. I'll be calm.
Just with another woman. Hi babe, what's up? I'm fine. What's up now? Where you dey? Is Justin around? Like, is he in town? Where is Justin? Traveled. To where? Since when? Babe, Justin did not travel to anywhere. I just saw Justin with another woman stepping out of a hotel. And from what I saw, they are dating. They were just kissing. Yes. What do you mean not your Justin? I am telling you the truth. Justin did not travel to anywhere. Yes. Babe, seriously, you need to... Hello? Yes. Look, Cherry. Immediately he gets back home, you need to deal with him. Push him out of your life. For good. That guy does not deserve you at all. He's nothing but a cheating gold digger. Cherry, I'm telling you the truth now. Alright, okay. Love. Justin, I love you. Justin, I love you. Justin, I love you. Justin, I love you. Man, God forbid.
Oh, You are so sweet and beautiful. I had the best time of my life. I love you, and I am missing you already.
I'm here for you, baby. Anytime you need me, just call me.
Are you serious? Come here. All right, right now I have a business meeting to attend, so I'll give you a call soon.
Okay. Bye then.
It's okay. No, don't worry. Mugo. Bitch, your chapter is closed. On to the next girl. Man on the move. Hey, darling.
Hold it right there. Don't touch me. Don't.
What is it?
Where are you coming from?
Why the question? I told you I was traveling.
You were traveling. 2 days. Hold on. Now, after all we've been through together, in fact, after all I have done for you, this is how you pay me back? By cheating on me?
Cheating on you? Who said I did? I didn't cheat on you. Who told you such a lie and you believed it?
So you thought I'll never find out? Now you're covering up.
I am not covering up anything. I am not covering up anything. I went to see my mom and she insisted I spend the night. I did. Then today on my way out, 2 of my tires went flat. Getting a mechanic around the village was something else. It took me almost all my day. Now someone comes to tell you I was with another woman and you believed it. Listen, darling. That person that said this must come and prove it. If not, I am leaving you for good. Because I can't be in a relationship with someone who can't trust me. You have to trust me. You don't know what I've been through. Do you know what I've been through? Do you know the stress? Do you know the sun? You're telling me I cheated on you. Oh my God. Bad shot. Who is the fool that saw me with Jessica? No. I have to look for a way to cover up this shit before it ruins my plans here. What do I do now? What do I do?
I shouldn't have believed the words of another over you. Please forgive me. Please.
Who said this against me?
Doesn't matter. I'm sorry.
And I want to know.
My friend Judy. She said she saw you coming out of a hotel with a girl.
Me? A hotel? Listen, darling. In as much as I know she is your friend, I also need you to understand that she doesn't have good intentions towards you. I've always known she doesn't like me. So, be careful.
I will. I'm sorry. I'm sorry now.
It's okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
Sure.
Sorry, can I talk to you for a second?
Yes. How may I help you?
My name is Jason. I couldn't stop noticing you in there.
Okay.
Alright, I must say that you're looking very beautiful and unique. Can I know you more, please?
I am Emerald. Goodbye, Jason.
Sorry, I am sorry. You were almost leaving. Can I drop you off, if you don't mind?
You don't even know where I am going to.
I am going to drop you off anywhere you're going to.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I see. That must be your favorite pick-up line, right? Oh, Mr. Jason, sorry to burst your bubbles. Not every girl you see falls for such lines. Thanks for the offer, though.
Oh, she has a car. I thought as much. Jason, what's wrong with me? Why have I been thinking about this girl since the very moment I met her? For goodness sake, I don't know who this girl is or where to meet her again. Whatever it is, I just have to get her off my mind and sleep. Enough is enough.
Cherry, you can't... Look, I know you have a soft spot for this guy. But you can't just allow him walk into your life just like that and order you around. Look, love is not blind, though. Love is not blind. Open your eye, shine your eye.
Listen, I'm not saying that Judy is lying. All I'm saying is that it would have been easier to take actions if I had seen things for myself.
Sherry, you know it is very easy for men to lie when there is no evidence. But believe me, if you had pressed harder, he may have said the truth out of the fear of losing you. Yes, but hell no, you didn't. You started writing me, chatting me, typing me, WhatsApping me. Are you sure? Are you saying the truth? This one, that. Do you know how embarrassing that question was?
But listen, I can't just take actions based on what you said. It's hearsay. I can't do anything. This accusation is baseless.
Tasha, did you just hear that?
Okay,
You heard it?
Girls, calm down. Relax, okay? Let's take a chill pill. I brought fruit and nobody has even touched it. Relax, you girls, relax now. See, she will see things for herself pretty soon. So we'll just relax, die this matter. Eh? There is no proof, so calm down. We'll die this matter now.
You don't calm down now.
Oh yeah, you don't do now. You are
Welcome home. We missed you.
Come on. I smell good.
Thank you. Please sit down, sit down.
Oh my goodness.
See freshness overload.
I swear.
Enjoyment. Please, I missed this.
I gotta bring another question.
Wow. Babes, how was your weekend in Dubai?
Fantastic. Oh my goodness. That was the best ever.
Details.
See, babes, nothing. I mean, none would have been as sweet as him.
Hey,
He's so sweet.
I can imagine.
I had fun with him. It was... Look at this. He traveled this morning. But he gave me something manageable.
Deal.
Something manageable for you ladies.
What's that?
Don't fire you.
You are mad.
I better bring everything, come out.
Bring everything,
Which
come
one
out.
be this? Don't forget saying all of us sit and plan this guy matter. No, come, no reason I know. This your, I go carry out.
Why the provoke? No problem. I have something for you guys.
I trust you. Now you saw it.
I trust
You trust
you.
your
I
babe,
trust you. Is this
Natasha?
nice?
How far now? How far with your Instagram guy? How did you go?
Yes.
I didn't even ask you.
Sorry, with the verse.
I can't for mind. Tell me.
My sister. I feel like I've been scammed. I'm telling you. The size... Oh. The picture of his penis he sent to me is different from the one I saw real life.
That means this one is big.
Hell, Osi, why are you laughing?
No.
I've not even finished the gist, you're laughing.
Oh, yeah, they talk.
My sister. Why the picture I saw was like this. My sister not like this as you.
What?
Now this size I see.
Hey.
Who are you this?
And it didn't even last up to 60 seconds.
Hey!
That's the way it packed it up.
Babes, now you understand why I am where I am. On that one, it can't be Babala dishwasher. My God,
So lucky. I saw you taking that one chance, eh?
My sister. You said you scam me, my sister. I for say make I manage, but nothing to manage. You go there like this, you get there like, you get there like this, you get there. I say waiting. Now what's I come to?
But that guy made mistake. He made mistake. He would have used something at least, something to enhance.
Hey. Something to her. It's not when there's something there. You say it is that bad.
Someone dropped this at the front desk, and it's in your name.
And who is it?
I'm sorry, I wasn't able to get his name.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. You can go. Thank you.
Hello, beautiful angel. Listen, the more you refuse to respond to me, the more I get attracted to you. But just in case you change your mind, my name is Jason, and here is my number: 080601234 and 86. Thank you.
Hello. Jason, or whatever you are called. Can you not take no for an answer and stop pestering me?
Hey, I see you got my letter. You don't like my tone? Don't worry, next time.
There will be no next time. Do not send me letters next time. How did you even get to know where I work?
Listen, babe, there is no need to be worked up over this. I will answer all your questions when we go out on a date.
Your dreams.
Just one date. Just one, and if you don't like the outcome, then I won't bother you again. What do you say?
Are you for real? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? I give you everything, and what do you pay me back with? Cheating on me? Who do you think you are?
Can you just stop talking like a child and hear me out?
Do not talk to me like that. You hear me? Do not! I caught you red-handed at the restaurant talking to another woman. Now rather than explain it to me, you create drama just to cover up your tracks. Do I look stupid to you?
You embarrassed me before my boss's wife. And you had the guts to slap me.
What the hell? Do you know what... Did you just... What are you doing? What are you doing?
Just watch.
Jason, darling, please listen to me.
Don't tell me to calm down! Don't tell me to calm down! Because I can't live under the same roof with someone who doesn't trust me!
It's not like I don't trust you. You make it so difficult. What are you doing?
I am leaving you for good! Because I can't stay under the same roof with a woman who doesn't trust me!
Can you calm down?
I don't have to calm down.
You don't have to go anywhere. Okay, can you just calm down? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to... Please.
Oh, you don't?
Jason, can you...
I am leaving you for good.
You don't have to leave.
Why do you keep believing your friends instead of me? Why?
You just... Okay, alright, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
You don't love me! Don't tell me that! What's love without trust? If you love me, you trust me.
I'm trying. You just make it difficult. Every time... Okay, forget it. We don't have to do this, Jason, please. You keep presenting situations that make one... I believe you. I believe you. I'm sorry. Jason, please. You don't have to go. I beg you.
I love you, Emerald. You know you drive me nuts, right? Everything about you drives me crazy, and I'm serious. I can't even think of anything else but you. Yes. You have preoccupied my mind. I think of nothing else but pretty Emerald. You're beautiful. You're sexy. And you got it all. Ha. Honestly, you are everything I want. Everything I had dreamt for. Everything I wanted in a woman. Yes. So, it's not a bad idea. Loving Emerald. And I'll continue to love you. I'll continue to love you. I'll continue to love you. Love you and love you and love you and love you.
Please, wash that car immediately. I went through some muddy waters. Eh?
Yes, madam.
Have you eaten? Yes or no?
Yes, madam. Don't joke. Madam, I'm washing it right now. Right now. Where the pocket?
Hey, babe. What's up with you?
I'm okay, Cherry. Hope you still remember our appointment.
What appointment? Oh my God. You know, I forgot.
Let us start coming up. We need to turn up like it's going to be little.
Girl, I'll pass on this one. I can't make this party. I just got back home. I've been on the move the whole day. You remember the meeting I told you with that company? We just had lunch to discuss it. It was a long one. I just got home. I managed to drive myself home. And I have to make dinner.
No, Cherry, don't say that. It's our friend's occasion and we need to be there to show our love.
You don't
understand. No, don't try this, I beg. You can get Jason something to eat from the restaurant on your way back.
It's not all about Jason. I am tired, like I am fatigued. I managed to drive myself home. You know that kind of tiredness, eh? Where they very risky. You they drive, you they sleep. That's how bad it was. And I have to make dinner. Please, let me pass on this one.
Cherry, this does not sound cool. especially when it comes from you. But nevertheless, I understand. All you have to do is call Avira and explain things to her.
Okay, I will. I'm sorry.
Nevertheless, I understand. Call Avira and explain things to her.
I will, I promise.
I'm going to miss you at the party.
I know, I wish I was going to be there. You girls go ahead and have fun without me, okay?
Okay, just try and get some rest, okay?
I will.
Alright.
You.
Bye.
Bye, baby. How was your day?
My day was stressful, but productive.
Great.
Yours?
Crazy. I had a lot of clients today. I did a lot of talking, trying to convince them why they should get this product over the other one, how this is better than that, and how... and to worsen matters, I spent 3 hours in traffic to get home.
All right. Don't worry. I am going to give you a soft and smooth massage.
I would love that.
So, what are we having for dinner?
I had a crazy day, I told you.
Yeah.
I made noodles.
Noodles?
We're just going to manage it for today, and tomorrow I'll make something better.
Darling, you can't be serious.
I am.
You know I hardly eat noodles. Not to talk of having it for dinner.
I'm tired, please. I was actually waiting for you to get home so we eat together. I added vegetables. I know you like
I
vegetables.
don't want noodles, please. I don't want noodles. I want something good. I already had a long day. I need something good. Please. I want white rice and sauce. That's what I want.
What? At this time, you're not even listening to me. I had a long day at work, 3 hours in traffic to get home. I am fatigued. It's just for tonight, and tomorrow I will make you something really nice. Come on now, I'll make your favorite.
Hey, stop begging me now. Stop begging me. Honey, stop this now. Stop all this drama. I don't want noodles. Don't make me look inconsiderate. I've told you what I want. So listen, if you're not able to give me what I want, simple. I'll go outside and get it. Hello, darling. How are you? I am sorry I haven't called to check on you. I've been kind of busy trying to face something. I miss you more. I miss you more. Honestly, I can't wait to see you tomorrow. I can't wait to see your face. Kiss you. Bury my head in your arms. Feel your tender touches. And you know what comes up next? It's alright, honey. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Good night.
Your food is served.
Oh. All right.
Manager, honestly, I do not understand what you're talking about. I paid the money in exactly the same day I promised I was going to.
Madam, we're sorry, but
The money you claim you buried did not drop in our account.
Listen, I really don't understand what's going on. This is not funny anymore.
Madam, we can actually forward the statement of our account to you for confirmation.
What are you talking about? I said I paid in the money.
Well, it's obvious you've been hacked. Your mail probably, because maybe they've been monitoring our conversation until the moment of payment.
Do you realize how much we're talking about here?
Well, nothing else can explain this situation, madam. We actually stopped receiving mails from you. Are you there, madam? Hello, madam, hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello, madam? Hello?
Take a good look at this. Do you like the venue? Look at this
Wow.
one.
Okay.
And this one.
Wow. Oh, this is really nice.
Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful. Nah, I don't want this. I want a small birthday party. I don't want something that will be overly crowded or something that will draw unnecessary attention or something that will cost too much too.
Darling, are you not tired of low-key things? Don't you think it would be nice we take it outside here? Somewhere cool, nice, to make it more sweet and memorable.
That sounds fun.
So, we have a deal?
Yes, we do.
I'll make that happen.
Okay, so where will that be?
That is going to be a surprise.
Ooh, I love surprises.
I know you do. Sorry.
Okay.
Hello? Sally, why are you calling me? What?
What is it?
My sister. I'll be right back. Doctor, is everything all right?
Yeah, she's okay. She's fine. She needs a lot of rest. And her BP is slightly high. I suggest you bring her in for a proper checkup when she's stronger.
Sound.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you, doctor.
It's okay. You'll be fine, okay? All right. You'll be fine. Mr. Jason, I should be on my way now.
All right, behind you.
It's all right. Okay.
You'll be fine. Okay. Honey, I'll be right back.
Just
hold on for a while. Hello, darling. How are you?
I'm fine, I'm good. So how is your sister?
Fine. She had an accident.
My goodness. I hope it's nothing too serious.
No. It's nothing serious. I'm on it already. But sorry, I will not come back today. I'll see you tomorrow.
That's fine. Just take good care of her, okay?
I will. Take care of you. I miss you.
I miss you too.
And I love you.
Okay, take care of yourself.
Honey, what really happened? Can you talk to me?
I've been scammed.
Scammed? How do you mean you've been scammed?
Do you remember the business that just paid me?
Yes.
I decided to invest the money and I used my property as collateral for the loan. When the loan matured, I paid into the company's account not knowing my email was hacked. The hackers had sent their own account. I paid all the money into their account.
What? Honey, this is so bad. Why didn't you tell me?
What would you do if I told you?
You should have told me before making the payment.
But I've been doing business with them. I didn't know my email was hacked. What's bad is I don't even know how to explain it to my friends. I'm finished, my money gone, even theirs. How do I pay back the loan? The worst part of it is that I got Judy, Tasha and Avira to invest. And now all the monies are gone. How do I pay back the loan? How do I pay back my friends?
God.
This is just too much for me. Too much happening at the same time.
Do you know how much we're talking about here? This is a huge amount we're talking about. You just wasted it.
Please.
Sorry, fine. It's okay. It's okay. Just pull yourself together, okay? Everything will be fine. Try as much as you can to pull yourself together. What's that?
I'm having a terrible headache.
It's okay. Remember what the doctor said. You don't have to stress yourself, okay? So that you don't worsen the whole issue. We'll talk about this later. Alright?
Please. I don't have appetite.
Honey, eat something now, eh? You've been like this all day.
Do you want to kill yourself because of what happened?
I don't feel like having anything. I'm fine.
Listen, the most important thing is being alive. Once there is life, there is hope. You have to eat something, please. Eat now. Okay, if you don't want to eat, fine. I have to starve too, if that will make you fine.
Oh, Jason, don't be like that.
Then eat. You have drugs to take, please.
1 spoon?
Yes, 2 spoons. Don't you like it?
Water.
It's been months after this business and you're still giving us one excuse or the other. I gave you the money because you promised early return on investment. Cherry, my business is suffering and I need my money. Listen, if this business is not working, you return back my money. I will manage my business, the one I'm doing, okay?
Tasha, please calm down.
I should calm down? I should calm down? Is that what you're telling me? You told me that this business will take 2 weeks. 2 weeks. And now it is now months. Months, Cherry. Listen. You know what? You are taking my friendship. You're testing my patience. And I do not like it. Return my money, Cherry. If you do not return my money, if I come back here, my darling, you will not like what you will see. Cherry, return my money.
Tasha, where's
nonsense?
Who was that? I heard voices.
Tasha just gave me the shock of my life.
Tasha?
Because of money? Oh God. Because I owe her money? She could talk to me like that.
Darling.
Why is this happening to me? Because of money. Why does this have to happen to me?
Come on, don't let this bother you, alright? Don't let it bother you. Everything will be fine.
I don't even know how to believe that. I wish I could believe that. I was there for my friends. I was there for each and every one of them. And now they can't trust me?
I know. Please, stop complaining, alright? Just come. Just come.
You don't understand.
I do.
My friends, look at the way they've been talking to me.
Listen, I trust you, okay? Believe me, everything will be fine. I trust you. I know you were there for them.
Honey.
Honey, how are you?
Fine. Honey, please, I need to beg you a favor.
What is it?
There's no foodstuff in the house. We're very, very low on foodstuff. I was wondering if you could give me 20,000 to just buy a few things.
Honey, you of all people should know that the only money I have is for my business. Why don't you just take money from your business and...
There's nothing left. I sold everything.
How do you mean?
Well, Tasha has been embarrassing me all over town. I had to sell off the things in the shop to pay her off. And the minute Avira and Judy heard that I paid Tasha, they both started coming for their monies too. I didn't want to tell you because I've been bothering you lately with everything that has been happening.
It's alright, darling. It's okay.
I'll manage the 20,000 for both stew and soup.
Don't worry, I don't even have up to 20,000. I don't have up to 20,000. I can only afford 2K. Will you manage it? Honey, you just have to manage, okay? Even if there is no meat in the food, we'll manage it.
2K as in 2,000?
Yes, 2,000 naira.
That's actually money for a carton of noodles.
Honey, I just said, let us manage. We have to learn to manage. Things are very difficult for me and should I bring it?
Okay.
Honestly, bringing the 2,000 set is not even. I know I will still have to do some these things now to replace it. It's not easy. My prayer is just for you to bounce back. I can't wait for you to fall back to your feet, so everything will fall back to normal.
So, maybe 10,000 will be enough for the food items.
Babe, 10,000?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, are you sure?
Of course.
Listen, I don't want you to manage. I want something good. I want a good meal. A sumptuous meal with enough meat and all other wishes. If you understand what I mean.
I do.
So, you know what?
What?
I'm giving you 20K.
Oh, baby, you're the best. Don't worry. Trust me. I will prepare something more than sumptuous for you. I'll blow your mind.
In fact, withdraw 50K. Yes. My word is my bond.
Baby. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You're the best.
You too. Anything for you.
Okay. So, I'll be on my way.
And the card.
Oh, important. Thank you.
One more thing.
What is it?
You're looking sexy.
As usual. Thank you.
I can't just imagine living without you. Boy, I'm so into you. I hope I'm not a fool. Because you know it will break my heart to finally realize you're just playing games. I can't just wait to marry you. You give me reasons to love you forever. With you, love is so beautiful. You are so good, I'm lost in your fantasy. So tell me what you feel for me. Really love you, please don't let me perish in lies. Please tell me, do you care about me? Really love you, please don't let me perish in lies. So tell I'm so into you, I hope I'm not a fool. Because you know it will break my heart to finally realize you're just playing games. I can't just wait to marry you. You give me reasons to love you forever. With you, love is so beautiful. You are so good, I'm lost in your fantasy. So tell me what you feel for me. Really love you, please don't let me perish in lies. Please tell me, do you care about me? Really love you, please don't let me perish in lies. So tell me what you feel for me. Really love you, please don't let me perish in lies. Please tell me, do you care about me? Really love you, please don't let me perish in lies. Can't just imagine living without you. Boy, I'm so into you, I hope I'm not a fool. Because you know it will break my heart to finally realize you're just playing games. I can't just wait to marry you. You give me reasons to love you forever. With you, love is so beautiful. You are so good, I'm lost in your fantasy. So tell me what you feel for me. Really love you, please don't let me perish in lies. Please tell me, do you care about me? Really love you, please don't let me perish in lies. So tell me what you feel for me. Really love you, please don't let me perish in lies. Please tell me, do you care about me? Really love you, please don't let me perish in lies.
How are you?
What happened? You stayed out so long. And I've been calling your line. You wouldn't pick your calls.
Honey, you see, the kind of traffic I met on my way back. Honestly, I've never seen it since I came to this town. Could you believe I was in traffic for more than 6 hours?
You would have at least picked my calls.
Honey, you know I went for a business meeting.
I was worried about you.
I know. My phone was on silent mode all through. And when the meeting was over, I forgot to turn it on. I'm sorry, okay?
It's fine, at least you're home safe.
Yeah.
I'll go and microwave your food while you freshen up.
Honey, you don't have to, okay? I am fine, I just need to rest. Okay? Don't bother yourself. Okay? I'll see you inside. I'll be waiting.
Feels good.
I know.
You should be my personal masseuse.
That's what I am. Anytime, darling.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I have a call.
Okay.
Okay. Hello? Yes, this is Cherry Johnson. Who am I on to? Okay. What?
Okay. Sir, please, can I say something to you? Can you please listen to me? Hello? Sir, hello? Hello?
What's the problem? Can you talk to me? What is it?
The bank. They're taking everything. The house, the cars, everything. I'm finished. Everything I worked for, they're taking everything. The house. The cars.
Everything.
They're taking everything. They're taking everything. They're taking everything.
Okay, you have to pull yourself together first, okay? Please.
I work so hard.
marry me, Emerald? Please.
Yes.
Jason! Jason! Please tell me, do you care about me really? Love you, please don't let me perish in lies. So tell me what you feel for me really. Love you, please don't let me perish in lies.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Just calm down. What do you want to do? Listen to me. Right? Nothing in this world worth dying.
I've lost everything. What am I living for?
You have me. Okay, you don't listen. Nothing in this world worth dying for. You shouldn't do this. You want to kill yourself for what?
What am I supposed to do?
Darling, honey, I understand what you're going through, but you shouldn't have attempted to take your life.
I don't have any other choice. Do you know how difficult it is? You don't understand how this feels. To work so hard to get to this level and all of a sudden you go down to zero, to nothing because of someone's selfishness out there. Do you know how that feels? I know that suicide is not the best thing, but I'm shattered. I have nothing.
It's okay. All hope is not lost, okay?
You think so?
Yes. There must be a way out. Believe me.
Actually, there is a way out. That money that you have been saving, can you please bring it so that we start all over again? I will give it to you once I get back on my feet. I'll give you everything. Please.
Darling, you don't say that. You know I have been saving this money for the real estate business.
I know. And I promise you, I will give it back to you once I get back on my feet. Listen to me. In a few days, we would have no roof over our heads. We would have nothing and no one to go to. Please, save us this embarrassment. I promise you, once everything goes back to normal, I'll give you double. I beg you, please. Chasing. Life is easier when you know that there is hope for survival. And this money that you have been saving, that's the only hope we have right now. Please. I promise you, once I get back on my feet, I would give it back to you. Please.
Hi, honey. Why are you packing your jewelries?
I need to sell off some of my jewelries to raise some reasonable amount to offset these bills. My friends are giving me hell.
Well, no problems. Listen, darling. I really do not want you to bother yourself too much with yourself. What is happening right now, okay? I strongly believe that the special grace of God, everything will be fine. We'll bounce back again, okay?
I pray so.
I called my malam that sells gold. He says I can bring this ones, so he will he's going to buy them from me.
Alright. You don't have to sell this one. You don't wear it sometimes.
I know, but it's expensive.
I know.
I can raise some money.
Don't worry, these ones are enough now.
That one alone can raise some very good money.
Darling, please, these ones are enough. Okay, don't just leave this one for me. Just leave it for me, please. Alright?
No, don't please. It's fine, I can do it myself. Don't pack them up like that. It's okay.
Boy, I'm so into you. I hope I'm not a fool. Because you know it will break my heart to finally realize you're just playing games. I can't just wait to marry you. You give me reasons to love you forever. With you, love is so beautiful.
Dear Cherry, thank you for everything you've done for me. The money, the love, and other things. But things are not meant to be. I like you, no doubt. But were you really expecting me to marry you? Of course you know that's not possible. A fresh, cute, young like me ending up with an old woman like you. Come on. I deserve something better. Well, I was only playing along because of your money. And now, the money is finished. I am too good to suffer with you. I have taken a walk out of your life. I just move on. I wish you good luck. You have to move on too. Yours, faithfully, Jason.
I can't just imagine living without you. Boy, I'm so into you. I hope I'm not a fool. Because you know it will break my heart to finally realize you're just playing games.
Welcome.
You're back. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Darling, remember the contract I told you I was processing in Abuja?
Yes.
Guess what? I just got the contract. I just got it.
Are you serious?
I am serious.
Oh my God. I am so happy for you.
Yes. So, right about now, I need you to go in there, pack your things. We're relocating to Abuja.
Babe, is this not too sudden?
Sudden? Honey, we talked about it. We discussed about it and I told you once I get the contract, we'll travel to Abuja together. So, why the cold feet?
Look, babe, don't get me wrong. I really want to travel with you. I just feel like everything is happening too quickly.
So, what's the problem? The house? The shop? Darling, all these things are nothing to compare to the beautiful life that you and I are going to have over there.
Okay, Fine. Well, can you at least give me 2 days to get my things ready?
And don't forget, it's a contract. So, I'll give you 1 day.
Okay, that's fine. Well, I am really happy for you. Wait, that means we won't be seeing my parents this weekend.
Oh, yes, we have to travel first. Let's get settled, then we'll come back for that. Probably month end. Is that okay by you?
Sure.
So, don't I deserve a kiss? Of course I deserve a kiss.
Let me take your thing inside.
My thing, okay.
Your box.
No. I know that you remember it.
It's unbelievable. You know, this is just like a dream to me.
You got to wake up. Wake up, baby. This is your bitter reality. That is what it is. Come on.
Was I stupid? Blindfolded? Or hypnotized that I didn't see this coming?
Well, I think you only allowed your emotions to cloud your reasoning.
You were once blind, but now you can see.
Cherry, do you know you were busy spending your hard-earned money on Jackson while he is gallivanting the whole street with all these useless girls? And we will see him and tell you to caution him. I mean, he will get home and brainwash you. Sometimes, I don't know, it's unimaginable how you have chosen to believe a total stranger over your friends.
Point of correction. Jason is not a total stranger. He's my fiancé.
Oh. Sherry, what did I hear you say?
Fiancé.
Hey, goodness. A guy who has refused to place a common ring on your finger. You call him fiancé? Oh goodness. I can't believe this.
I beg, make I ask. Wetin this guy take wash you?
I don't understand.
Because me, I won't find and buy am.
Hey.
Cherry, can't you see? It's glaring. Even the blind can see that this guy doesn't love you. Come on now. Open your eyes.
Do I smell jealousy here?
Hell. No, that's a slap on the face.
Whoa. I wouldn't be surprised. Because what do you expect from ladies like you who have no man to call their own?
Ouch.
Wow. Listen, I love you girls. I love you so very much. But anything that has to do with Jason and I need you to stay away.
Fine. Right? Fine.
We're good.
But if this guy really loves you, then let's put him to a test.
Exactly.
Excuse you? What is the meaning of that? What makes you think I doubt what we share?
Because you are blind to see it. I'm sorry. Yes. I mean, this test is to find out if we're right or wrong, right?
Exactly.
I'll put in 500k to prove his sorry ass.
And I'm in. 500k from me.
Hello. My relationship is not up for bet.
Sorry.
Sherry, let's just bet on that. Yes. And afterwards, you will have 1.5 million naira all to yourself.
But wait, Sherry. What are you afraid of?
I wonder.
Finding out the truth? You have nothing to lose. Nothing. If Jason pulls through, you have 1.5 million to yourself.
Full cash.
And the faith is the other way around. Then, you will find out the true nature of this guy you're dealing with and know your stand.
Like I said before, my relationship is not up for bet. Okay, this has nothing to do with the money. But if I have to go along with this madness, how do you intend to go about it?
Sherry, listen to us, he go favor you. I mean, we're your friends, we can never deceive you.
I just said fine. So what do we do?
Don't worry. I've got it all figured out.
Okay.
A deal.
Cheers, baby.
But are you girls jealous? Yes, you are.
How? I mean, what? So tell me, am I not a master planner?
Thank you, girls. Thank you for having my back. I won't deny it, I'm hurt. Deeply hurt. But at least I know the truth. I just wish I could see the face of that pathetic he-goat. I will show him the pain of a woman scorned. But it's okay. What's the way forward?
Leave it to me. I have it all figured out.
Tasha.
Calm down. I got you.
100%. It's okay. Calm down.
It's okay. Relax.
It's your boy Jamie though. I see you finest. I'm not gonna for your matter. You didn't do me the way I want. Yeah, now you didn't learn my temperature. Anytime I dey high, your love they do me something new. Yeah, let mama love me. 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 Yeah, let mama love me, baby. Yeah, let with your body. You fight past Diana. Your love, they motivate me. Correct, baby. Now you I want. Now you I need. I no go play with your love. Oh, bye. Anywhere you go, I go with you. Anything you do, I go do with you. Hey, your matter, not my matter. I go fight for your love, oh, baby. I no go run for your matter. Hey. You they do me the way I want. Yeah. Now you they lower my temperature. Anytime I dey high, your love they do me something new. Yeah, let mama love me. Yeah, let mama hold me. Yeah, let mama love me. Yeah, let mama hold me. Yeah, let mama love me. Yeah, let mama hold me. Yeah, let mama love me, baby. Yeah, let mama hold me, baby. In you I see beautiful love. In you I see original love. In you I see my wifey. In you I see my lover. Correct, baby, yeah. Beautiful baby. I no go play with your love. Oh, aye. Baby, smile with your beautiful face. Aye. I decrease for your matter. I go there by your side. Oh. Anywhere you go, I go follow you go. Aye. Baby, give me love. Baby, show me love. Baby, give me love. Baby, show me love. I don't go run for your matter. Aye. You they do me the way I want. Yeah.
Yet another time, I have fallen victim of love. And this time, in a more devastating manner. So I'm thinking I'll do, maybe just do salad.
Okay.
Can I do salad? What kind of dressing do you have for salad? French dressing?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. And then what you have for protein?
We have chicken, we have fish.
Fish, croaker?
Croaker fish, yes.
I'll do salad and fish.
Okay, I'll just have fried rice and fish. Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome, Ma.
Yeah.
How long is this going to take?
10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yes.
10.
10 minutes. Thank you.
We are really looking at him, but he's kind of cute. What?
He's a waiter.
He's human.
Now that is low. That
What
is
are you
low.
talking about?
He's just a waiter here.
Leave story, Jerry. The money be fine, but you see that guy? If I touch him, give him 2 months, you won't recognize him. I'm telling you.
Hey.
I kind of like his smile.
Stop it already.
What?
Stop disgracing your ancestors.
My ancestors will know. Yeah, now say we go there, we go old. Let me manage this one. Cherry. Cheers. Cheers to what? To us.
Baby.
Hey.
two ladies just came out now. Where are they? Which way did they take?
Ah, then drop for my mouth. Oh, this girl where then they come here, you know collect their number feeling. Now that woman you won't follow come. I beg Joe, go away from come.
What's it gonna be on now?
Go back, go sit down.
Carry your frustration, come on here.
When I don't get small money, when I do they follow woman up and down. They go.
Hello? Yes, who is this?
My name is Jackson.
Jackson.
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you calling from and how did you get my number?
Okay, I am calling from the restaurant you came to this earlier.
What can I do for you?
But you actually forgot your purse, so I got your number from it.
Oh my God, that's where I forgot it. And I thought I left it at my shop. Are you the young guy that served us? Oh, well, thank you very much. Can you do me a favor? What's your name again? Jason. Can you bring the purse to my house? I'll pay for your transport. I'll send you my address. And what time will that be? That's fine by me. That's fine. When you get here, I reimburse you, okay? All right, looking forward to seeing you. Thank you very much.
Me.
They come now. Now you. Huh? Who you be?
My name is Jason.
Jason. Who you dey look for here?
Your madam. She actually left this purse at my workplace, so she asked me to bring it here.
My madam. Who you say you be again?
Jackson.
Jackson. All right, wait here. No go anywhere. Oh. No move an inch. Just that inch. And they come.
Yes, what is it?
Madam, you get somebody go there for gate, say want to see you. What that name na Jackson? Jason, yes, Jason.
That's fine, let him in.
Okay.
What is wrong with you? Let him in.
Okay, ma, yes, ma.
Hi.
Good day, ma.
Good day. Thank you so much for coming.
You're welcome, ma. You're welcome. Here's your purse.
Thank you. Well, men like you are in short supply. You know, some other person would have kept this purse for themselves, knowing that the owner might not come back for it. So thank you.
You're welcome. You see, I I won't say I'm a saint, but I don't take what does not belong to me.
Wow, and considering that there's money inside it, you didn't even touch it. Thank you. Please sit down. So, well, thank you very much once again. I really appreciate this.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
So tell me, what's a young man like you doing waiting at a restaurant?
You know how the country is.
Yeah. Do you have any qualifications?
Yes, I have a degree in business administration.
I see. Don't you think of starting up a business for yourself?
Yeah, I have actually thought of it, but I'm saving up. I'm saving up.
Oh, forgive my manners. What do I offer you? Something to drink?
Anything, I am fine.
Anything. Anything I do not have, but I have wine, I have brandy, and I have soap. What would it be?
Okay, a glass of water.
No, we're not doing water. I'll do a bottle of wine with you.
Okay. That would be nice. Good day, ma.
Good day, Jason. How are you?
I am fine.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
I got you this.
A phone?
A phone. I hope you like it.
Yes, I love it. For me?
Yes, for you.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It looks expensive.
Oh well, befitting for a guy like you, don't you think so? Befitting, isn't it?
My
name is Cherry.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate it.
You should. So tell me, you mentioned to me the last time that you were saving up for a business. What kind of business is it?
Well, I am considering fashion. Like shoes, bags, wares. Yeah.
I see, that's good. And you're still saving up for it. It's okay. It's good to know that you have plans. We'll see how we can support you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So would you have time to go out for a drink at your convenience?
Sure.
I hope no one will break my head. I don't like trouble.
Not at all, not at all. I am single, very much single.
See? Okay. So I'll let you know when. And then we would have to get you some nice shoes too.
This one is nice.
Oh yes, they are. Yeah. We could just get something nicer.
I just need to apply a little black polish now, and the beauty will come out.
Something nicer will be better. I made lunch.
Good afternoon. Sorry, Cherry.
Good afternoon, handsome. How's your day been?
It's been well. It's been fine. It's been fine. And yours?
Good. Even better now that you're here. So, I spoke to a friend of mine who imports clothing. He does wholesale. I know you really want to do fashion, but I was wondering, for someone who has a degree in business administration, why don't you do something a little more serious? Real estate.
It's fine, but
I know the funds. We'll get to that. Let's work at it. In the time being, we'll do it your way. So I spoke to my friend, and he is willing to supply
100 pairs of shoes, 100 suits, 100 ties, sneakers, you name it. I'll pay the advance. So when you pick those things up, you start. And then as you sell, you pay back the difference until...
Thank you so much.
It's... that is until we start real estate.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. In fact, you're an angel.
I know.
God will bless you.
Bless you too, darling. So, where's your shop going to be?
For now, there is no shop. So I intend taking the goods to higher institutions and also get a shed nearby.
Are you being serious? Okay, you know what? Go get a shop. Choice location. Look for somewhere that you know business will be good. Let me know.
Are you... I mean, do you want to rent a shop for me?
Do you want me to? That's all right. Okay, you know what? Fix us something to drink. That's the bar.
Sure, I will. I have to.
It's good to see you this excited.
Thanks. So, what should I get?
Cherry.
What?
Sure you know say you be crook.
What did I do?
You are a big crook. So you finally walked your way into that guy's heart. Eh? Hey, my friend.
Hey, but I will tell you true that I don't lie. I don't hide myself. I tell you, say I like the boy. But not that I went after him. I didn't go chasing after him. It's just that nature had a way of bringing us closer.
Closer.
Bad chick when I be. I enter.
I to go like you. Look, I'm happy for you. Okay, but I just don't want this guy to hurt you, okay? I just pray he's not a good digger.
I hope so too.
Mm-hmm.
I hope so. But you know what?
What?
I don't want to think about tomorrow. I just want to savor the moment.
So give me details. What's up?
Here?
How far the guy?
The boy is good.
Oh, he's good.
I lack words to express how blessed I am to have you in my life. You met me when I was in the dark place, and you brought light into my life. Just when I thought it had ended for me, you changed everything. Cherry, you've given me love. You've given me joy. You've given me future, hope, fulfilling my dream. I just came to say thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate.
You know, oftentimes, when you love someone and you don't have the courage to tell them, the person that they love, how they feel, you just keep hoping that they would hear through the silence and hear your unspoken poems and feel the passion from within the heart that I give you my love, my body, my everything.
But you stabbed me in the back without a second thought, leaving my life shattered and my heart in inexplicable pain. Jason, what did I ever do to you? How could I have known that all the promises of love you made to me was all a lie just to get my money? God, this hurts.
Darling. Darling. Darling, are you there? Where could she have gone to? Darling! Honey? You there? Darling. Darling. Babe. Where could she have gone to this early morning? Without a word.
Dear Jason, thank you for being such a beautiful Mugu. It was a pleasure doing business with you. I loved you, but I can never marry you because I now know you are a heartless, senseless cheat. I am gone for good, so don't bother looking for me because you will never find me. By the way, I left with your phones. And for your information, I also moved the millions in your account into mine. I left with your car too. Well, I left you the apartment so that you can have a place to cry and think about your life and the people you've hurt. I'm keeping the engagement ring. It's beautiful and I love it. Goodbye, Jason. And I do hope and pray you have a miserable life. Yours unfaithfully, Emerald.
No, Emerald, why? No! You can't do this to me! You can't! You don't have to just leave me. You cannot use this my life just like that. No! 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 Emerald! Emerald, why? Emerald, just tell me you're joking. Amaka. Oh, but Amaka, please now, eh? Why do you want to do this to me? Not after everything we've been through. You want to leave me? Why?
Jason, please let me be. Eh? Let go of my leg now, Jason. What do you want me to do? Stay with you? No, now.
Amaka. Ami, why are you doing this now? Eh? Why are you doing this? Remember everything I did, risking my admission to write exams for you? Your lodge fee, your upkeep money, I took care of everything. Why do you want to leave me now? Why are you doing this now?
Didn't I do anything for you? Eh? Didn't I do anything for you? All the countless time I was opening my legs upon your requests, giving you all the styles in the world. So you don't know that was my own way of paying you back? Stop sounding like you were the only one that gave me something, Joe. Leave me.
Amaka, please. I love you.
Eh?
Amaka, I love you. I love you so much, please.
Now love I won't chop. Eh? See, it's not my fault that your business failed now. It's not my fault. You can no longer take care of me. Eh? Not be fine but I won't chop. Oh. Not be fine but I won't chop. See, let me let you know. I have gotten a new bobo that can foot my bills. I am tired of suffering and smiling with you. See, you see this your love. This your fine boy. Your dry pockets. Take it somewhere. I am done. Is it by force? I am done. Leave me.
Amaka. 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 What does she want me to do now? Is it my fault that God. Amaka, after everything I did for you, after everything I did for you, you decided to break my heart. You told me that you love me when you are in love with another. You spied on my love, Amaka. I even thought she was joking when she said she was leaving. I didn't know she meant it. Now I know that all women are the same. She ripped me of everything. You left me emotionally broken. Amaka, you are mean. You are heartless. Thunder will fire another woman that will say she loves me. Thunder will fire any woman that will say she's in love with me again. I must take my revenge. Because love is pure scum.
Listen, bro. You can't continue to drink like this. But for you, if someone should tell me that after all you did for Amaka, that she's going to leave you for another man, I will never believe it.
Tony, all women are the same. Why fetiche, cha-cha?
Listen, bro. You don't have to kill yourself over what Amaka did. Eh? You just have to pick the little broken pieces of your life and move on.
How? How do I move on? To where?
Listen. I've been waiting to hear this from you. Eh? I think there is vacancy in my place of work. And I can actually take you to the MD if you're interested. We can go tomorrow. What do you think?
So, what am I going to be doing there? To serve as a waiter, doorman, or even a delivery man like you?
You see your problem, Jackson?
No, me, Jackson.
Jackson, you see your problem?
Barman, waiter, or a delivery man. What are you saying?
Calm down. Let me talk to you. This is your problem. Okay, you even have a choice of work. You have a choice of work, but you don't have choice for food. If I sow Gary, you drink. If I cook around 1 midnight, you eat. Anything I bring, you eat. You are telling me the job to do and the one you're not going to do. Listen, you better talk to yourself. Okay, well, I'm just trying to help a friend. If you want to follow me, you follow me tomorrow. And if you're not interested, you can go ahead with your Heineken.
If you don't have anything reasonable to say, just shut up.
Okay, no problem. It's not your fault. But by the time I start bringing food here, then I will know what you will do. It'll be your fault. Oh boy, just me now, what's in the happen? Where you get money buy all those things, where food kitchen?
Tony, your grace and my grace no be the same.
Forget about grace, just me, what's in the happen?
Well, a lady visited the bar today. Fortunately for me, she forgot her purse.
You go collect the money with inside?
We shall be collecting money with inside. I called her now. I saw the purse, I called her. She asked me to bring it to her house. Bros, I took the purse to her house. You need to see mansion. House. Bros, if you see a house. Ha! So when I was leaving now, she gave me 10K. Just like that.
I don't believe you. You know me now. She get 10,000 naira. She get
10,000 naira. Guy, I felt as though I just collected my salary.
I'm not be smart, you know.
Hey. So I decided to get some items and
you do well. Without too much anger, you do well. Hey, this lady must be a good one. No? I beg, wait, make her go carry some more Gary soap. You don't play. Wait.
Tony. Tony! Tony, my man!
What's happening? This one way they holler my name. What's happening?
Wow. Today. Better happen today.
What's happen, Mr. Grace? Mr. Grace, what's happening? Hear me now.
Should I don't tell you? Your grace and my grace.
No be the same.
No be mate.
No be mate. Talk.
You know that woman now, what I tell you now? The woman will say make I come now.
The same woman?
Now. Relax. This woman gave me a brand new phone. In a carton. Say phone now.
You know me now, Mo?
You know me. Not be the phone be this. Say phone now. See the carton.
Joy! Hey! Mr. Vam.
You know what it can happen. Matter no finish there now. She say, which kind of business will you want to do? I can't tell her more. Say, see what I want to do. She said, I am going to speak to one of my friends to help out. Bros, as we speak now, make her not talk.
Wait, she won't make you start business.
She won't start business now. You don't want to start the business. Let me that.
Jason, tell me the truth. You and this woman, by Vam. Because I don't understand all those things.
Come on there.
You know me now. Anything love now, no be my side though. The only thing I am after, bros, is to take my own pound of flesh.
Ha!
Finish.
Listen, Justin, I'm not going to tell you this thing again. Oh. If this woman can do all those things for you, collect your own pound of your flesh. Collect her own. Poverty no be better thing, you know.
Okay, don't the reason.
You want tell me say be virgin?
You don't the reason now.
Naka.
Before at this day, poverty the sweet. You
Naka.
don't the reason now.
Ha!
Bros, I go shock you. You go see what thing will happen. And I can see this.
Abi? Go. Oh, my, you not tell me since.
Wow. I have just fired the arrow and it hit that exact point that I wanted. She has confessed that she loves me with enchanting kiss. I have made her believe I love her too. Amaka, you disappointed me. And 1,000 women will pay for it. I don't care. I don't care. I do not care. 1,000 women will pay. Just saying. Karma is real. What a word, indeed. Whatever a man sows, he reaps. Oh. Just because of my past experience, I decided to hurt a woman that loved me pure and wholeheartedly. Cherry, I really hurt you. What Emerald just did to me was exactly what I did to Cherry. God, how do I make things right again? I am back to zero. I am back to square one. My life has been shattered. I am now in shambles. God, how do I make things right? Where do I start from? My Cherry, my love, I have come to say that I'm sorry for everything. I am sorry for taking your love for granted. I am sorry for betraying you. I am sorry for taking out the revenge of another on you. I was filled with rage and bitterness of my past. I wasn't thinking straight. I thought I was doing the right thing. Please, find it in your heart to forgive me. Just forgive me and give me another chance. Give me another chance to show you how much I love you. I'll love you genuinely in all situations. I'll just love you, money or no money.
It sounds very easy, doesn't it? I gave you my heart. You toyed with my emotions, extorted money from me, made a fool of me. Didn't even have the decency to tell me that it was over. Instead, you left me a stinker. And now you ask me to forgive you? You think it's that easy?
I know it's not easy. I never said that. Believe me, I never said it's easy. No, it's not. Listen, like I said, I was filled with unforgiveness, hate, and bitterness of my past experience.
Jason, I practically became a house help just to make you happy.
I'm sorry.
I did everything you asked.
I have learned my lesson.
I loved you.
I love you too, darling. I love you, and I have come to show you how much I love you. Just give me that chance and honey, please.
Madam.
On no account should you let anyone out of this gate.
Yes, madam.
In fact, give me the keys.
Yeah.
Give it to me.
Okay. Take madam. Madam. Madam, put
Hey, go inside. Go
Yes,
inside.
they come.
If I slap.
Sorry, madam.
Lock it? Yes. Please give me my number.
Thanks for forgiving me, honey. Thanks. I knew you were going to forgive me. Honey, I was going to tell you something. I have 50,000 naira in my account. I'll give you the money. Okay, I know you have a good heart. You're such a wonderful person, and I really will.
Baby, thank you so much for coming on short notice.
Don't worry. I am honored to help.
I really need to take my car to the mechanic.
You don't have to be all worked up because of your car. I don't mind being your driver.
Oh, really?
Yes, I'm ready to take you anywhere.
You're so cute. Thank you.
You're welcome, darling.
Okay, so...
Are you not forgetting something?
Bye-bye. You... Get out.
Alright, I love you, darling.
I love you too.
You must be Emerald.
Yes. And you are?
My name is Tasha.
And my name is Avera.
And I am Judy.
Okay. So, how may I help you?
Help me?
Okay.
Help us. Well, young lady, the question should be, how may we help you?
Exactly.
Excuse me.
Young lady, I'm sure Jesse is your boyfriend. And you love him, right?
Yes.
How will you feel when you discover that he is not whom you think he is?
What is going on here? Listen, if you ladies will not come out straight, I would advise you take your leave.
Alright, listen. Mr. Jasin is nothing but a cheat. A heartless gold digger. A despicable liar.
I beg your pardon.
We all have the proof of what we're saying.
He promised another woman marriage. And the woman has been helping him in all ramifications. Exactly. Now he wants to dump her and follow me.
Truthfully, we need you. We need him to pay for what he did to our friend.
Exactly.
We need you.
So are you game?
Such a man should be dealt with without mercy.
Can you say that again?
In any way I can help. I mean.
Hey!
That is for you.
Oh yeah, come this way. On what? On what? Will you come this way?
Jason. Jason the lover boy. Oh, no. I am not a ghost. I am not. Yes. Emerald. You think you're smart? Unfortunately, you are not. The hunter has become the hunted. The hook has caught the fisherman, and the sniper has been sniped. Baby boy, it was all a game. And a very, very smooth one. With a memorable ending. You thought you could mess with the heart of ladies and get away with it? Oh, Jason, you have messed with the heart of the wrong ladies because we are going to serve it to you like a hot sauce. To all the girls in the world who have always wanted to get back at lying, cheating, betraying idiots like you, this is for you. And you've got Emerald, the queen of karma, at your service. Ladies, it's all yours.
Oh yeah, come here.
Please, can we just... I want to say something.
Say what do you want to say? Come out. Come this way.
Can we just sort this out amicably?
Come here. Come here. Are you coming here? I said you come. Ah! Sorry. What does he think is wrong with you?
Sunny! 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 Sunny, open the gate! Sunny! Sunny, open! Just come. Just stop it! Sunny, my daughter! Sunny! Come on, give me the key! Let me... Jesse, I'm not getting the key. Don't deal with me. Sunny! Give me the key. Jesse, no more big. You don't go. Okay, Jesse, no more big like this. Okay, Jesse. Sunny, don't give me the key! Come on!
Okay. It is very, very important. hobbies. Come let's okay. Calm down. Come on. Let's calm down. Let's calm down. Let's calm down. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my goodness.
Move now. Move. Handle.
This way.
Get to the house. Move.
Handle. This way.
Move. Honey,
You want to move? That boy. If you talk, I will flog your neck.
Fine boy, no shit.
Stupid.
You think you can mess me up? You! After all I did for you, move! Come on, move! Move it! Move it! Go forward! If you touch me again,
backhand.
My friend,
Let me just go from here.
Move from where?
Go where?
We are not
We are
done.
not
We
done
have
with you.
unsettled business. We are not done. Move.
Sunny.
Sandy, are you ready to move? Move.
Coconut head. Fine boy, no shit.
You get coconut head, you know the
You know the hear what?
Nonsense.
Just what?
Come on, move before I lose my temper.
Move.
Shut up. Strip. Also, boy. Come on, body. Remove everything. Come out everything. Including your pants.
Immediately. Remove everything. Did you buy anyone? No, come on.
Take off your clothes.
You do now.
Now let me tell you, we'll give you 20 strokes of cane, 5 each.
Babe, wait.
And
now.
it will teach you never to toy with a woman's emotion.
Babe, before flogging.
Okay. Oh yeah, pull it.
You know, buy any.
Pull it.
1 naira.
Come on, body now.
Come on, pull it.
My friend, get up. Pull it. Quick.
Fool. Pull it.
This cane.
This one.
Come on.
Whip him.
Come on. See big boxers.
Hi.
Everything.
So this is how you be eating my friend's money.
Don't mind.
Enjoy the money. See your skin.
See French boy.
Cherry.
And I'm sure he's using organic cream.
Organic cream, my sister. Are you serious? Wait, and let me start with my own. Wait.
Whip him.
More. Harder.
4.
Good.
Yes.
That's very good. Good. Your turn. Oh yeah.
Amen, please, amen.
Will you lie down?
What are you making?
Oh, yeah.
Say amen.
What is love? He's talking about love. You love me.
Hello, ladies, please calm down.
Jason.
My love. Cherry.
Why are you calling your love?
That's not shady culture.
Nonsense. Get up and kneel down. Face me.
She said kneel down.
Fast about it.
Kneel down and face us.
Fresh boy. Oh yeah, sit down.
They have pimped you up, turned you to somebody.
Face her.
Where that?
I didn't say come. Go.
Shift.
No. I really don't believe it.
Listen to me. Listen. That's fine.
Turn on face her.
Now listen to me. You don't deserve pity. But you know what? I already came down to your level. You can't give what you don't have.
Not at all.
You've never known love. So how do you recognize love when given to you? How do you give it back when you've never experienced it? I don't blame you. I blame myself for coming down to your level. But it's okay. I cut my losses. After everything I did for you, where is that your Moses sandals? The one you wore to this house the first day you stepped your dirty feet into this house.
Today, look at you. You even have tattoo. I'm feeling like a good boy.
Look at it.
Pierce your ears. You sleep on my bed. eat my food, spend my money. Nonsense. Then spend your... Touch me! Now that one,
He was a waiter.
Yes, serving in a restaurant.
Hello? That's true religion. I bet you never heard about it before I bought it. Take it off now.
Now?
I'd rather give it to my kids, man.
Take
it off. I'm not.
Are you taking it off or not? I said, the trouser! Remove the trouser! See, what's that? Doesn't even know anything.
Because I was doing it for him and he...
What
is that?
Come back. If you move,
Hey.
he wants to escape. He wants to escape.
Hey.
I'll
kneel down, please.
Take
off the shoe. Remove it.
See original Air Max shoe, original designer.
He
You
was
see
just...
that wristwatch on that Rolex? Remove it.
Oh, even this chain. This chain.
The gold chain on your neck.
Take it off.
The eyes. You now have a piercing.
Eyes on your
I bought it. Take it off.
You cleaned this boy real good.
You
You are going to
did a
suffer.
good job. But you know, when you bring the pig out of dirt, when you came to this house, you were wearing, I don't know what. Today you wear designer boxers, pants. Are you having one on right now?
No, they are upstairs.
Oh, they are. Right where they belong. Are you sure? Check. What's that?
He's wearing one.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll leave him some memories.
Okay.
I'm not going to press charges. I would let you go. But let me warn you. Look at me. Leave town. Because if I see you anywhere in this town, if I see you anywhere in this town, what I will do to you today, your experience today will be child's play. Get up and get out.
You heard her.
Thank you, ma.
Ma. So you can say ma.
Jason! Hey, excuse me. Did you... Stop there. Did you hear what I said?
I should go.
Did you hear what I said?
I said I should go.
I said leave town. I said what?
Leave town.
Because if I see you anywhere in this town, get out.
Oh yeah. Move this way. Follow this way. This way. Move. Idiot. Papa. Old mayor.
Organic cream.
Get out. Idiot.
Look at this expensive.
Please, I'll be right back. Just give me 1 minute. I'll be right back.
Now you're talking. It's fine.
Come on.
It's fine. I understand.
It's okay. You see what you just did? The best thing you have ever done. Okay. You know, after this whole episode, we need to drink.
I need a glass. I can do with a glass. What's today?
Okay. Thursday.
What's tomorrow? Back to the group.
Okay.
Hanging out tomorrow, baby.
Oh my
Hanging out
goodness.
tomorrow, baby.
Yeah, we
Good riddance to bad
rubbish.
Hey.
Woo.
Can't wait.
Okay. All right.
Come on.
Good girl.
Okay. Gone are those days when men get away with their shit. These days, it is. Do me, I do you.
Man no go vex.
Now cheers to all.
Oh, please, I'll say something.
Okay, please.
To my girls. I love you all.
Oh, I love
to
you.
my ladies, man.
To my ladies. Man, I want to sip mine from the bottle.
You're bad like
We love you. Let's come together.
Thank you so much, ladies.
It's okay.
Because you know it will break my heart to finally realize you're just playing games. I can't just wait to marry you. You give me you forever. With you, love is so beautiful. You are so good, I'm lost in your fantasy. So tell me why.